Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels 101. So in this video, guys, I'm going to give you just a brief beginner's tutorial overlook of ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels 101. So this is the dashboard when you come into ClickFunnels. It's pretty straightforward. If you look in the center here, normally there's a bunch of other stuff. I've deleted everything, but you can have like a priority list of kind of things going on. Also, you know, they give you alerts and stuff that's going on with ClickFunnels. I've turned it off. But what's really cool about this main dashboard is on the right-hand side, if you're doing funnels for clients or even, you know, obviously your own funnels, you can get a snapshot of what's going on. Right now, I only have one funnel going. Obviously, it's not performing as well as I would like, but you can get a snapshot of the last 7 days. You can get a snapshot of the last 30 days. You can, you know, also then go visit this particular funnel. So this is cool here. I don't do a lot of product sales. I mostly do lead generation. But if you're selling products or services, you can get kind of a snapshot of your last 30 days, last 7 days revenue here. And if you're an affiliate or if you want to, you know, also affiliate with ClickFunnels, down here, your affiliate earnings, you can access the affiliate dashboard here, which is pretty cool. And you can also ask, you know, get to the dashboard here. But for ClickFunnels 101, the main thing you're going to do when you're in your dashboard is, well, you're going to want to build a funnel. So the way that works is you're simply going to click on Build a Funnel. Now, most people, when they get started, you're really going to start collecting emails, doing lead generation, but you have tons of different types of funnels to choose from. You can sell products, you can host webinars, you can do evergreen webinars. For this particular purpose, for ClickFunnels 101, I'm just going to show you how to create a basic landing page and how to start, you know, building funnels that way. Let's see here. Anybody see where my test one went? Why didn't it do that? Let's try this again. You know what I think is that I've done too many test funnels here for people. Maybe it doesn't show up. Let's see if this does. There we go. Okay, I think I've named it Test LP before. So what's cool is it's automatically going to give you your opt-in and your thank you, okay? Now, these are templates that I've used in the past. These are templates I've built for clients, for myself. So your page would not look like this. When you scroll down, your page is going to start with other templates. So let's see here. So your page is going to start with something like this here. So these are pre-built templates from ClickFunnels. And you can use any of these and change them as you like. I'm going to just pick, let's just pick a pretty straightforward one. Let's do this guy, Mr. Funnel. So I would select this and boom, it's going to create my opt-in. Now, and then my thank you page, I'm not going to worry about that too much because thank you pages are pretty straightforward. Let me show you what that looks like here. We'll go ahead and select one, but I'll edit just the landing page for you. And then you can select your thank you page. Depending on what you're doing, it can just be pretty basic. But the cool thing is with like the landing page or the thank you pages, you can use that to offer your like free ebook, your PDF, your download. So that's where people would get your lead magnet, or you would simply just add them to your email automation. And I'm going to show you how that works here in a second. So you close this other stuff out here. Maybe that's why. All right, so you can see here, it's a pretty straightforward landing page, actually pretty darn good looking landing page if you ask me. And you can go through and obviously change all this stuff out. Everything is click, drop, you name it. You don't need any technical experience. But let me give you a quick overview here. The way it's broken down is you have sections in the green, you have rows in the blue, and then you have in the orange here, these are your elements. So elements are like images, text, anything you want to add. But you can see how the green all these sections, and you can simply copy, clone, duplicate. You can also go in here and save these. So if you know that you're going to use the same type of template over and over, you can do that. But any of these can be changed with just the click of a button. If I want to change this guy out, I can simply go to the gear icon. Now I can either get rid of his image altogether, right? Or I can add, say, another image. Obviously, I don't want a watch in there, but for the purpose of this, I could put a watch, right? If I want to change it, you know, this is where I would hold all my media files. You also get some great stock stuff you can use, backgrounds. They also have plenty of icons and things you can use. So that's how you would select your image. Another thing too is up here you have the undo button. So I can simply go back. Well, let's say I want to change this. What the heck? There we go. So let's say I want to change this, you know, welcome to my page, right? So that's how easy you can change text. Click on the gear. This is where you can change any of your fonts. Boom, right? You can change the size. You can also drag and drop the size of it. You can change the margins, okay? You can change the color of the text. You can change it from bold. Here is your email opt-in, right? And this is where you can do anything. So you can create, you know, full name, last name. If you wanted to do that, this is a cool trick here. You would just simply clone it, click here, and I want to change this to, say, full name, right? And that's it. I want it required. And then I would drag, and I can just drag this up because I want it to be above there. Now I have a name, email, and the cool thing is this funnel's already built out for me. So when I put in the email, the name in the email, and I hit send, it's automatically going to go to that thank you page. Now up here in the settings, you have all your integrations, tracking codes. So if you want to track your pixels on Facebook, Google, background images, colors. But the main thing you're going to want is your integrations. Now this is where you would integrate ConvertKit, Aweber, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and you simply select yours from here, right? Select the action. I want to add it to a list. Choose your list, right? Boom, it's connected. So I'm going to save this. And here you can change your title, your meta description, and preview. I have a live funnel, right? That was it. You know, and everything here, guys, click, drag, drop, right? I want to change the color of this. I can do that. If I want to add some, I can add some funky effects to this, right? Let's see here, that one. There we go. I make it rock and bounce. And then the last thing I want to show you guys for your ClickFunnels 101 is up here you can see the mobile view as well. And then when you edit in mobile, you can edit in mobile, and you can also save a version for desktop and save a version for mobile, right? So you can move things around. Like if you don't want this image here, you can get rid of it altogether for your mobile version, right? Up here, I want to obviously, maybe I want to mess with the margins a little bit. So that's that. And it's pretty cool. If you want to get rid of this altogether, right? Like I don't want that in there. Boom. Let's say here, I want to move this up a bit, right? So it's just a little more centered. You know, this, I want to take this down a bit. I don't want it there. Obviously, I don't want to do that because I got to get all that, but give you guys some idea. Where is it here? Boom. So just to give you an idea of margins and all that kind of stuff. And that's it, guys. Pretty straightforward. You can change the shape of the button, the style of the button, all that good stuff, right? You can change out all your images by just simply selecting here. Choose your image, okay? And let me show you this. So up here is your Elements tab. This is where you can add stuff like your image. You can also, if I want to pop a video in here instead, I want to get rid of that. I could throw a video in here, click here, and then I could do a custom embed. I could do YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, anything like that, okay? I can also create a pop-up. So if I want to do a pop-up email grab, right? So when they click on the button, instead they would go to the pop-up. I can do sign up, and basically what I'm doing is, let me just show you here. All I'm doing is recreating this form in a pop-up. So it's like a mini page. And you do it by adding rows, columns, and elements, okay? So I add my row. So I want one row. And then I want to put an element in there. The element I want is an email opt-in, right? So I want your email. And that's it. And then what I would do is I would click here and I would say, I want this to, I'm going to set the action. I want this to open in the pop-up. So let's take a look. Now, obviously, I'd get rid of this stuff. I don't want that. And let's take a look. So now it could do a drop down. Okay, now that's a very basic ClickFunnels 101, guys. You can get as detailed as you want with all this. Really, what I want you guys to see here is how easy it is to drag, drop, set up funnels, super easy, and that's it. That is ClickFunnels 101. The last thing I want to show you here, a little bonus for you guys. This is called the Funnel Marketplace. You can get access to this here, and you can basically get all these templates. Look. Now, some are paid, obviously, but you can get access to free templates. And once you're a ClickFunnels user, just go up here and you go low to high. All you do is click on these funnels, guys, and they upload straight to your account. So look at this one here. This is a pre-built funnel. I mean, this is basically a website. I mean, you could turn around, change the colors, change the theme, and brand it to a client or to yourself. You could sell this for $500, $1,000. I mean, it's insane. I charge $1,000 and I literally take stuff like this, change it, swap it out in less than an hour, and it's crazy. So this is another cool little bonus to show you guys. That is ClickFunnels 101. If you are not using ClickFunnels, you are crazy. I will put a link below, guys, where you can sign up for a free 14-day trial. Also, if you do sign up for ClickFunnels, guys, I offer people a free 30-minute consultation. All you have to do is email me your receipt or whatever you want to call it from ClickFunnels. I will jump on the phone with you for 30 minutes, answer any questions, walk you through. I'll also send you my 10 best free funnels that you can upload, along with my email swipes to help get you started. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.